In the summer and in the rain.
Little wonder, in 2014, the group was announced somewhere in Geneva. I'm sure some of you know the hotel. On the 29th of October, we were recognized by Financial Times Publications Department, The Banker, and the Professional Wealth Management Magazine as the best private bank in Nigeria 2014. We have alliances with top-rated firms offering advice on wills, trusts, foundations, book publishing. We actually have 2 of our clients who have written their autobiography. And why are we concerned about that? You know that private banking is about wealth preservation, wealth creation, and wealth transfer. Now, when you're transferring your wealth, the first thing that comes to your mind is the money. Who gets my money? But we believe that the society will be a lot better if we all documented the principles that guided our lifestyle while we were alive. That your private banker is so close to you that when you're stopped, I remember one of our clients last week was stopped. I think she was in the hospital. And she called her private banker. It doesn't matter the level. It could be senior manager, it could be anybody, it could be me. You call me, I'm stopped. So she called, she was in the hospital. She was stopped and she needed her AC fixed. Yes. The AC in her room fixed. And the only person she could actually rely on was her private banker. And she was sorted out within a flash. We listen. Even when they complain, their complaints are gifts to us. So we listen.
We set it up in 1996. We wanted to build a brand that would be enduring and will last for years and years to come. We wanted to build a brand that will have clients, their children, their grandchildren. So we wanted a brand, also a product and a service that will enhance wealth, build wealth, preserve the wealth, and of course, we wanted this wealth to transfer the wealth. We wanted a business that will ensure that we keep that wealth within the bank. And that was why we set up private banking in 1996. Before we set it up, we visited international private banks. Barclays Bank, Lloyds Bank, Coutts & Co, which is the best, one of the top private banks in the world, HSBC Private Bank. We studied their process, we studied their products, their services, and we came back and emulated what they did there in the UK. I think that's what helped us at Fidelity Private Bank. I'm very satisfied with Fidelity Bank's private banking. We set up a very strong foundation and we are building on that foundation in terms of lifestyle products, fixed deposits, real estate advisory service, trust, wills, safe depository services. They are doing so much, and I believe that Fidelity Bank is going to go to the next level as long as they can capture both the clients, their children, their family, the extended family, and the business of these clients.
It's very simple, excellent service. I bank in most parts of the world, United States, UK, and other areas. But service is key to a lot of high net worth individuals. And for me, from my experience over the years with investment bank in America like Merrill Lynch, JP Morgan, Fidelity Bank Private Banking Unit is excellent. And there's really nothing to add. So why I stay there over the years is simply because they are professionals, they are very proactive, and they're willing to go the extra mile for you. And you don't have to be in the bank. Since the social media came on stream, they interface with you wherever you are in the world, and they solve your problems. They are not just your bankers, they're your partners. So that is why I stuck with them over the years. The work came as a bit of a surprise, because for me, yes, I have good education and all that, but I'm basically an Igbo man that is trading. And for them to recognize me means that maybe over the years, my advice, my interface with them must have been meaningful and positive and may have helped in one way or the other. And for me, recognition is always important in the sense that it reinforces the fact that maybe you've been doing the right thing. So I'm pleased. I'm happy, as you can see, and I'm here with my wife, who is also very supportive in the things I do and people I relate with. So it's that simple, really.
The truth is that the Fidelity philosophy of experience is one that is steady and consistent. You know the old adage where they say the slow and steady wins the race. Fidelity is run by consummate professionals that are very diligent, and they don't chase the needle. In essence, they don't overly adjust to fit any situation, but they run a steady course, they do their planning, and they have tailor-made services that are designed to cater to the individual needs of their private banking clients. So they're very flexible in that regard, and they're customer friendly. Fidelity is a great bank. You can't go wrong with Fidelity. The team, I have to give a special shout out not only to top management congratulating the MD, Mr. Namdi Okonkwo, but I have to give a special shout out to the leadership of their private banking division. I'd like to mention Chairman Wankwo and her crack team. These people are amazing people that work with you. I will recommend Fidelity any day, anytime.
Our major driving force in Fidelity Private Banking has been our strength in listening. We listen to our clients and we try to go the extra mile. No matter what it is, we don't believe in the saying no. We always feel that whatever it takes, we get it done to make sure that these clients are satisfied. You know, and the fact that we've worked together as a team, each member of the team knows the strength of every other person. So we work as a team to build a synergy so that at the end of the day, we come out with a robust package to suit each client. And we treat each client differently. No two clients are given a tailor-made solution. In fact, we listen to the client, deliver solutions to them, and solve their problems. So I'm sure that has been our defining factor that made us as the best private bank in Nigeria.